Luggage, clothes bags shaped to support and protect effects brought to travel. Each year, 15 million tourists visit Paris, and the same amount of luggage passes through our hotels, apartments, and other types of accommodations. During the last day, a luggage storage service is not always available. The question arises, where to deposit his luggage? Roberto is one of those tourists. Roberto is not likely to forget his last weekend in Paris. He sat on the terrace of a cafe with his luggage and really didn't enjoy his last afternoon in Paris. This time, Roberto is determined to make the most of his last day in Paris by getting rid of his suitcase. His problem is, the luggage locker in the train station is too far and he doesn't want the hassle to travel back and forth. Carol, for her part, owns a shop and would like to supplement her income and help someone like Roberto to store his luggage. This is good for her because it brings new visitors to her store, which is right next door to the apartment Roberto rents in the Marais. That is just what dropandshopparis.com offers, a list of drop-off points where you can entrust your luggage. With a few clicks, Roberto performs a search on the website by specifying the locations and time of the deposit of the luggage, and immediately he finds Shopping Point dropandshopparis.com partners ready to store his suitcase for the afternoon. Roberto pays the reservation directly to the website safely and with a signed reservation number. On the last day, Roberto went to Carol's shop, left his suitcase, and had a great afternoon. He returns after a wonderful afternoon to find his luggage waiting for him at Carol's store. A baggage storage service is simpler than using luggage lockers in the train station. You can save time and enjoy your last day. This is a great 5-star service that anyone can use.